Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is extremely eye-catchy and all of your focus will be towards my today's design ideas because the video that you are seeing is very creative, unique and pretty, and at the same time it is very easy to make for the beginners, embroidery lovers. Yes friends, the scope and usage for designing by using these patterns is beyond your expectations. Friends, you can use these design ideas of 3D hand embroidery, or you could say that very beautiful or a new classic combination of 5D embroidery patterns by using different color threads, and all of these designs are creative and specifically for the ones who love the art of hand embroidery and they are in search of beautiful, mesmerizing and extremely unique design ideas of hair embroidery, 3D patterns, girl embroidery, hoop art, creativity for the designing of their accessories like handbags, purse, clasp bags, mobile covers, glasses covers, school going bags, laptop bags, and a very beautiful scenery or decoration designing ideas for their wall art, for the creativity and the uniqueness of their home decor like cushion covers, pillow covers, table mats, and a very unique and delicate touch for their baby girls dress designing. Like you can use these patterns to design your baby girls frocks, baby girls skirts, even girls dresses could be enhanced and beautified by using these patterns. Like you can make these patterns onto denim fabric like denim jackets. You can make these very beautiful patterns of 3D embroidery onto the pockets of your jeans, front pocket, back pocket, onto your shirts, t-shirts, sweatshirts, and many more creativities as per your choices. I hope that you like my today's idea, and if you really like, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments below my videos so that I could get to know what you feel about my content.